दिस इज द डे 3 ऑफ दिस सीरीज। आज मैंने क्या सीखा, कंडीशन से कि पाइथन्स में यूज कैसे होती है। एज लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल टू अंडरस्टैंड इट बेटर। तो तुम्हारे डे टू डे लाइफ में कंडीशंस आती रहती है। यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट द बेस्ट विच कैन हेल्प यू in further. So let's take a basic example as if you have 20 rupees and you are getting back to the book and you have the craving to eat a samosa, and from the college to a station, a rickshaw charges about 20 rupees and the bus charges around 5 rupees. So will you be saving money by taking a bus about 15 rupees to have and satisfy yourself with samosa, or else you will be taking rickshaw to satisfy your comfort bill? So as for my opinion, I would be definitely taking bus. I would be taking care of my craving first. But the thing is, you should always take the right decision. These are the conditions which comes in your life, day to day life. You don't notice it, but you choose the right ones many other types. So this is what the daily life conditions are, and let's have a look of how does the language conditions look like and how it is used in the language. So this is the basic setup of mine. As you can see, this is speaker stand and this is my laptop. So how I use the conditions is the input I'm taking and asking the question to as the user, as you all, that are you consistent with your work daily? And you would be replying in yes or no. After which that input is been assigned to I, that the variable defined there, and I'm converting that input into a lowercase and assigning to new variable j, and using now I'm using the if else statement, condition statement. I am comparing that if j is containing yes as an output in smaller number, then print you are going well as you are being consistent in your work daily. Or else if anything else, then yes, print you are losing much more in life. So what does this if else statement? So this statement I use for to condition, check the condition if you are going right or wrong. It is majorly used in this system where transition may happen. If it's if it's the API calling is from the right person to the right IP address, there only gives the access of transaction, or else reject the transaction. This is the live example where these conditions are used in our daily applications. So this is what. So today I had an BW and EGD paper. Who all don't know, BW means basic electrical engineering and EGD with engineering drawing, which is very suck at a time. I don't paid any attention. I just got there to have a passing marks so I can get out of that exam. So this is what my day was, and tomorrow is my EGPC exam, English Provisional Professional Language, which means have a look how it looks. Module 4, this is the basic module writing skill I would be learning, and for this I am taking the help of GPT. So how useful is this? You can have a look. Now I get the understand how AI is useful in day to day life. If this AI won't be in our life, so how our typical searching engine would be? We would be wasting a lots of time searching answer for each of it on internet, and that to be more way sucking at getting a proper answer. This is for today's, and let's see you on the next day videos. You're those signing up.